end of the 4th semester, and again they will be requested to send for on-the-job training, where they will apply all the theory what they have studied in the 4 semesters, so that end of the on-the-job training they will be placed in a suitable organizations as a permanent placement in the Sujana group of companies, its associates, and other companies in the leading companies in the different sectors such as manufacturing management, healthcare management, IT services, infrastructure, and banking and financial services. And this program, we have a lot of resource persons from within the group and outside the group, as well as the permanent faculty of the school will provide a continuous rigorous training. And as you know, this is a balanced mix of theory and practice, and it will eliminate the criticism that MBAs do not have a practice, whereas in this PGPM we have a 6 months training. 1/3 is a skill development and training, 3/4 will be a concept program. Therefore, it is a unique program, it is a special program in collaboration with Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University through an MOU. This PGPM will be awarded to the students, and the students will have a dual advantage. They will get the education, the best delivery program through Sujana School of Business, and they get a valid and a good degree from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, where the degree is valid and acceptable all over the country, because Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University is a UGC recognized government of Andhra Pradesh University. Therefore, students will get the best degree, and they get the best inputs, academic, theoretical, as well as industry inputs, so that they have a dual advantage by taking PGPM program of Sujana School of Business. Thank you very much.